Those concerned about some not wearing masks on Wichita Falls city buses during this pandemic, city officials say it's really out of their hands.
Yeah, PJ Green looked into this for us today. So, PJ, why is that?
Well, guys, because many people with disabilities ride the bus, the Americans with Disabilities Act restricts public transportation from questioning people who don't wear masks.
And that really has to do with the Americans with Disabilities Act.
The CDC states that masks should not be worn by anyone who has trouble breathing. Examples include people with asthma, claustrophobia, and other respiratory disabilities. Because people with these disabilities are covered by the ADA, drivers of Falls Ride cannot make anyone wear masks.
That limits us from asking customers about why they're not wearing a mask. So we can offer them a mask when they get on the bus, but if they refuse to wear a mask, we cannot kick them off the bus at that time.
Wichita Falls Director of Transportation John Burris says other cities are facing the same situation. Director of Health Lou Kreitler says no one should be in public without a mask, especially those with medical conditions.
A face shield is always an option. You know, it allows you to cover your face. It still does allow air to escape out the bottom. So it's not as good a protection as with a mask, but it's better than having no mask at all.
Burris says one bus driver didn't wear a mask for a period of time because they had an underlying condition. Because face shields can impair drivers' vision, the driver used a different kind of face covering that was approved by their doctor.
Chin shields, where they strap to the bottom of the chin, and then the shield moves up. So it's just under their vision. Those have worked good.
With COVID-19 cases rising rapidly in Wichita County, Kreitler says wearing masks is key to slowing the spread regardless of mandates.
We really need the public's help in continuing to wear their mask and social distance, you know, wash their hands often, anything that we can do to help control the number of cases that we're seeing.
Mask compliance continues to be a hurdle for city officials as the battle against COVID-19 rages on. Now, Burris also says while they cannot enforce masks, they are still strongly recommended.
Okay, PJ, thank you so much for looking into this for us.